A very good morning to class 7 student. Class 7 student, now today we are going to start the fifth chapter. We have done the fourth chapter of computer. Now today we are going to start the fifth chapter. This one chapter also belongs to the previous one, the last one, because this one is also chapter number 5, advanced feature of Excel. That means we have already learned some things in Excel, and this one is this chapter is related to a advanced feature of Excel. Now we are going to learn some advanced features of Excel in this chapter. In this chapter we learned about components of a chart, creating a chart, how to create a chart, commonly used chart types, formatting a chart, chart area, plot area, data series, changing the scale of values axis, inserting illustration, using goal seek, consolidating data, grouping worksheets. So we are going to learn these things, all these things in this chapter, advanced feature of an Excel. Advanced features of Excel, chapter number 5. So all of you, at last of this video, I also send you some definition which you need to note it down in your classwork copies, and before writing this you have to put the name of the chapter also, chapter number 5, advanced feature of Excel. Now let us start the chapter. This one is the introduction part. Excel workbook can contain lot of data. All of you know that lot of data contained in Excel file in the form of tables, and this data can often be default to interpret. For example, which are highest and lowest values? Is the data increasing or decreasing? The answers of question like these can become much clear. We can clear the answers in through this Excel when data is represented as a chart. Whenever the data, we are going to present a data into a chart, it is easy to understand whenever the price going to be raised or whenever it going to be down. So charts and graphs are used to make information clear and easy to understand. A good picture is worth a thousand numbers. Excel has various type of charts. Excel has various type of charts, so we can choose one that most efficient, effective, represented represents our data. The effective chart, whatever we want, that one is the more effective. A chart is a tool we can use in Excel to communicate data graphically. Charts make comparison much easier and easily recognizable. A chart can be two dimensional or three dimensional. So all of you, what you need to do is you have to write the components of the chart. The components of the chart are chart area, data series, plot area, x-axis and y-axis, legend, chart title and data label. These are the components of a chart. The components of the chart, these are only the components of the chart, which I am going to explain you one by one also. So no need to note it down in your copies, only you have to note down those things, whatever the things I send you in your class group, right? So what are components of the chart? The components of the chart are only 8 components: chart area, data series, plot area, x-axis, y-axis, legend, chart title, data label. So what is chart area? The chart area is the entire chart with all its element is called chart area. And what is data series? Data series is a collection of related values from the worksheet, that can be data from one row or column on the worksheet. Each data series is a chart, has a unique color or pattern. We can plot one or more data series in a chart. We can plot one or more data series in a chart. Once again, I am going to repeat this: data series. How we are going to represent the data series on this? Data series is the collection of related values from the worksheet. Whatever the data is installed in a worksheet, that can be data from one row or column on the worksheet. Each data series in the chart has a unique color and pattern. We can plot one or more data series in a chart, right? What is plot area? So that one is called the data series. And chart area, the chart area is the entire chart with its element is called chart area. And the plot area is that area inside the boundary of the axis which include the data series of the chart. The plot area is the area inside the boundary of the axis which include the data series of the chart. All of you know the axis. There are two axes, x-axis and y-axis. An x-axis. An axis is a line bounding the chart plot area. Use a frame of reference for measuring the x-axis in the horizontally. I am asking horizontally line is called x-axis and contain categories. This is known as category axis also. Is x-axis को we called as category axis also. And the y-axis, what is y-axis? The y-axis is the vertically axis. Y-axis is the vertically axis and contain data. It is known as value axis also, right? So once again, students, very important x-axis and y-axis. X-axis is horizontally axis which contain categories, and y-axis is a vertical axis which contain values. And what is legend? Legend is a box. Legend is a box that identify the pattern or color that are designed to the data series or categories in a chart. The legend is a box that identify the pattern or color that are assigned to the data series or categories in a chart. So that one is called the legend. What is chart title? Chart title is related to work, whatever which type of work you are going to do in that particular chart. So the chart title is the name given to the chart. Data label. What is data label? This is the information that is used to identify the value of data in data series. Data label is that the information that is used to identify the value of data in that data series. To insert a chart with selected cell, what we have to do? We have to press F11. You have to press F11 to insert a chart. Otherwise, you have to press Alt plus F1. Two shortcut keys are there. Either you have to press F11, either you have to press Alt plus F1. So now moving forward, we already done the components of a chart. Chart area, data series, plot area, x-axis, y-axis, legend, chart title, data label. Again I am going to repeat this one. Components of a chart. Chart area. The chart area is the entire chart with all its items. Or elements. Data series. What is data series? Data series is the collection of related values from the worksheet. That can be data from one row or column on the worksheet. Each data series in a chart has unique color or pattern. We can plot one or more data series in a chart. And what is plot area? The plot area is the area inside the boundary of the axis which includes the data series of the chart. And x-axis is the line boundary. The chart plot area use a frame of reference for measuring horizontal axis and contain categories. It is known as category axis also. And what is y-axis? Y-axis is a vertically axis that contain data. It is also known as value access also. What is legend? The legend is a box. The legend is a box that identify the pattern or color that are assigned to the data series or categorized in a chart. Now moving forward, chart title. What is chart title? The chart title is the name given to the chart. Data label. What is data label? This is the information that is used to identify the value of data in data series. Data label is the information that is used to identify the value of data in the data series. How you can insert the chart? There are two options to insert a chart. First option is either you have to press F11 key to insert a chart, either you have to press Alt plus F1. So these are two shortcut keys through which you can insert the chart. Now moving forward, creating a chart. How you are going to create a chart? So this one is very important because uh, you have to know about the how to create a chart. So creating a chart, let us follow the given steps to plot a chart on the worksheet. What do you have to do on the worksheet? Arrange the data that you want to plot in a chart. सबसे पहले आपको अरेंज करना है डेटा को जिसको आपको प्लॉट करना है चार्ट में. द डाटा कैन बी अरेंज इन रो एंड कॉलम्स. डाटा को किस में लिखना है? रोज एंड कॉलम्स में. सेलेक्ट द सेल दैट कंटेन द डाटा दैट यू वांट टू यूज फॉर द चार्ट. उस सेल को सेलेक्ट करना है. सेलेक्ट द सेल. उस सेल को सेलेक्ट करना है जिसमें वो डाटा हो दैट यू वांट टू यूज़, जिसे आप इस्तेमाल करना चाहते हैं चार्ट के लिए. ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब. ऑन द इंसर्ट टैब इन द चार्ट ग्रुप. इंसर्ट टैब में चार्ट ग्रुप में जाइए. डू ऑन द फॉलोइंग वट एवर इज शोइंग इन फिगर. क्लिक द चार्ट टाइप. आपको चार्ट टाइप में क्लिक करना है. देन यू गेट टू मैनी ऑप्शंस ओवर देयर एंड देन क्लिक ऑन चार्ट सब टाइप्स. After clicking on chart types, you get an option over there, chart subtypes. Then you have to click on that. To see all available charts types are there. To launch the insert chart dialog box and then click the arrow to scroll through the chart types. Scroll करोगे उसमें दिखेगा आपको. By default the chart is placed. By default क्या होगा? Chart place हो जाएगा on the worksheet. उसी worksheet में as an embedded chart बना हुआ. When charts are on the same worksheet, जब चार्ट उसी वर्कशीट में आ जाएगा ऑफ द डाटा, जिस शीट में डाटा होगा, दे आर नोन एज एम्बेडेड चार्ट. ये क्या कहलाते हैं? एम्बेडेड चार्ट कहलाते हैं. वी कैन मूव द चार्ट टू द डिफरेंट शीट. हम उस चार्ट को दूसरी शीट में मूव कर सकते हैं इफ़ वी वांट. So again I am going to repeat this point because this one is very important point. By default the chart is placed on the worksheet as an embedded chart. When chart are on the same worksheet of the data, you are known as embedded chart. We can move the chart to a different sheet also. Then the next one point, Excel automatically assign a name to the chart. एक्सेल क्या करता है? ऑटोमेटिकली एक नाम असाइन कर देता है. जैसे उसका डिफ़ॉल्ट बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट नाम रख देगा चार्ट 1 इफ़ इट इज़ द फर्स्ट चार्ट दैट क्रिएट ऑन ए वर्कशीट. जो वर्कशीट में पहला चार्ट बना है अगर वो पहला होगा तो वो बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट उसको चार्ट 1 दे देगा. इफ़ यू वांट टू चेंज इट यू कैन थ्रू रीनेम द ऑप्शन, राइट. सो दीज आर द steps which you have to follow whenever you are going to do a practical in a computer. Right, before that you have to watch the video, nothing else. No need to do anything, just watch the video and memorize it. Then commonly used chart types. There are some common charts which are commonly used in nowadays. The commonly used chart types are column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, XY charts, dot nut chart. These are the 6 chart types. These are the 6 type of charts which are commonly used: column chart, bar chart, pie chart, line chart, XY chart. XY chart is also called scatter chart, dot nut charts. So question arises that what is column chart? Column chart display the data in the form of vertical bars. Column chart display the data in a form of vertical bar. They are useful for showing changes in data over a periodic of time or for showing comparison among different data items. In column charts, categories are typically organized along the horizontal axis and values among the vertical axis. This one is called the column chart. And what are bar charts? Column chart display the data in the form of horizontal bar. It is useful to display comparison among individual items. For individual comparison, it's very beneficial. In bar charts, categories are organized along the vertical axis and values along the horizontal axis. So this one is called bar chart. Then the pie chart. What is pie chart? In a pie chart, all of you have seen the pie chart, I believe. Pie chart is look like a circle. Circle में जो chart होता है, that one is called the pie chart. In a pie chart, data is displayed in a circular format. Each piece of data represent a part of the whole. This is useful when we want to show the percentage of different categories in a sum of all data. जब हम 100% में से किसी का परसेंटेज शो करते हैं तो पाई चार्ट हमारे लिए बहुत ही यूजफुल होता है. देन व्हाट इज लाइन चार्ट? दिस चार्ट इज फॉर्म विथ लाइंस. ये चार्ट लाइन से बनता है. लाइन इज यूज टू कनेक्ट द डाटा पॉइंट टू डिस्प्ले द डाटा एट equal intervals. Category data is distributed evenly along the horizontal axis and the values that is distributed evenly along the vertical axis. That one is called the line chart. And what is XY charts? XY chart, I already told you XY chart is called scatter chart also. A scatter chart, also known as XY chart, has two values axis showing one set of numeric data along the horizontal axis. Horizontal axis को क्या कहते हैं? X axis. And the another along the vertical axis. Vertical axis is called, all of you know that, Y axis. It combines these values into single data points and display them in a irregular intervals or cluster. To arrange data in a worksheet for a scatter chart, we should place the X value in one row or column and then enter the corresponding values in the adjacent rows or column. So these are called XY chart, scatter chart. The last one, Doughnut chart. What is Doughnut chart? Like a pie chart. It's look like a pie chart. Doughnut chart show the relationship of part to a whole. It's showing the relationship part of the whole. It can contain more than one data series, where a pie chart contain only one data series. In a pie chart, you can represent one data series, but in Doughnut, you can represent so many data series. So these are the commonly used charts types which we are going to use nowadays. So students, you need to watch this video again and again so that you can memorize the difference between the column charts, bar charts, pie chart, line charts, XY chart or scatter chart, Doughnut chart. So these are the type of charts. And how to creating a chart? On the worksheet, arrange the data you want to plot in a chart. The data can be arranged in row and columns. Select the cell that contain the data that you want to use for the chart. To insert tab in the chart group, do one of the following, whatever you want. Click on the chart type and then click on chart subtype that you want to use to see all the chart types are available. Then by default the chart is placed on the worksheet and embedded chart. The chart are on same worksheet on the of the data. They are known as embedded chart. We can move the chart to a different sheet also, because whenever we are going to click on that, automatically the chart is going to be displayed over the data. But if you want to move that particular chart to the next page, we can, right? So students, now I'm creating a second video. You have to watch the second video also. Thank you.